We're doing a video on this because we've seen a real increase in red thread over the last few years. This could be caused by a change in weather conditions. Red thread is a reddish pink fungus that usually occurs after a long dry spell when the grass becomes stressed, and then we suddenly get moisture from rain or heavy morning dew. Firstly, you will notice pale brown patches similar in size to the palm of your hand. On close examination, you may be able to see the red hyphae, like a red needle or pink material like cotton wool on the blades of your grass. This is an early sign and best controlled at this point. It can easily spread and quickly take over your lawn, resulting in lots of brown patches. We have a couple of different treatments we can use and provide control up to 6 weeks. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.